dumbbell like this, the way I'm lifting it, doing different style, doing on Saturday by 11 what time. Thank you for joining the fans. Thank you, my friend. Those days was my own starting to love. Thank you for joining the fans. Look, let me tell you something, and it's going cool, right? But you see the heat of people have gone to buy this dumbbell. Even women can use it. And then, we have 20 kg. If you check in another video, not this video, this on the top of my page, I will not be making this type of live show. No, I will. But feet have been looking good. Take away. I just hang on one like this. I hang on one, and every month I'm paying to a gym here. Put on your hand and going outside. Do every day, and you can see you have your dumbbell right there. Yeah, you can follow if you want to follow me to say, okay, you will feel muscle pull suddenly. Second time I tried, the second pain just lasts. Just give me a minute, okay? I'm just reading some things that could make you pull. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's all over the world. You will see for everybody who came, and thank you for you that you gave us. I'm gonna do this thing now. When I'm doing, it's not for work, it's for tomorrow is Saturday. Even if I'm showing this thing on the screen like this, but
I've raised the sun to make you stop. I see you leave, I know I'll fall. Will you retrieve my wounded soul? Stay, please pray, please stay, please say you will retrieve my wounded soul.
A little